Hi, so I'm Tom from co-director at Daley Electrical, and we are a Bristol-based electrical contractor, and we work all over the southwest installing heaters for and through Herschel. In this building, it has 7 panels and a mirror. We installed the panels in just under a day with 3 electricians, and then we've left the property. The customers had the ceiling re-skimmed, repainted, and then we put back today, and it'll probably take 3 hours to fit the panels back up straight on the ceiling. So you're looking at just over a day install of a brand new heating system. Be it if you were to install a plumb system, that's going to take, in a building like this with concrete floors, it will take at least a week. The disruption, it would be mess everywhere, be chaos for that week, and then eventually you'd have a heating system. But there's no gas in here, it's all electric, the building's all electric, so electric's the way to go, and infrared panels are electric. So we've done work with Herschel for a good 5 years. We started down at their warehouse, kitting everything out in there, and then from there we've worked alongside them doing installs that they've spec'd. We've gone in, looked at their plans are always spot on and fitted exactly what they've asked us to fit, and the end result is always fantastic, be it panels in apartments, in houses like this, be it big halo heaters in churches, dangling some with drops of up to say 10 meters hanging from the ceiling. Like, the work they've given us and the guidance they give us to help us install these heaters is amazing. These Herschel panels will literally heat up the room within 10 minutes, individually controlled, so the end user's not using the heat in the rooms that they're not in. They can just use their phone, use the thermostat on the wall, and instantly the room's going to be warm. Perfect for small little flats like this in cold buildings. They're a very good company to work alongside with, and we can't fault them with that. They're always good at taking in feedback. We suggested putting in longer brackets, making it easier to get a good solid fix in, and lo and behold, we came to fit some of their panels recently and they changed the bracket. So I don't know if that was anything to do with us, but they made a change and it's made everything a lot quicker and smoother, which is fantastic. It's good to know that somebody's listening to the end installer, which is great.